Namaste dear children. Welcome to another social science class. Today we are going to learn lesson number 5, the early man. The ancient man or the early man did not know anything about the time. He did not live in any houses. He did not eat proper food. He did not wear clothes. He did not know the importance of a family. The life of an early man was totally different. He kept a track of the seasons. He knew that spring followed winter. In this way, he could recognize some seasons. The ancient man was a nomad who moved from one place to another place in search of food and water. He ate flesh of animals, raw meat, fruits, nuts, leaves, and roots of plants. Look at these pictures. These are the tools of early man. He used stones for hunting, fishing, and digging roots of plants. Slowly, he improved the stone tools by giving them shape and polish. Children, can you see that sharpened stone tied to a stick? Yes, that is the spear. Apart from stone tools, he also started using tools made of bones and ivory. His most useful tool was the spear. He threw it from a distance with a force to kill animals. It was very safe for him to protect himself from wild animals. You know what are bones? But what is ivory? Ivory is the main part of the tusks of an elephant, walrus, etc. Invention of fire. Early man was rubbing two pieces of stones against each other. Accidentally, he could witness a spark that is called the fire. Thus, the invention of fire took place. Fire was the biggest discovery of the ancient man. The discovery of fire gave early man warmth, saved him from cold and wild animals, made his food soft and tasty as he started cooking it on fire. The early man became a food producer. The life of early man changed when from a hunter and a food gatherer he became a food producer. Now he did not have to wander from one place to another. He started leading a settled life close to the land where he grew grains. Now, early man started leading a settled life. The early settlements were close to rivers to fulfill his requirements of water for drinking, irrigation, and transportation. His shelter changed from caves and trees to thatched huts. Children, do you know? The early man was scared of natural phenomena like wind, sun, rain, thunder, etc. He was scared of the supreme power from the sky and hence started worshipping them. Early man was a great scientist. Since ancient times, man has used his intelligence to discover and invent many things to make his life comfortable. The changes have improved the life of human beings all over the world. Invention of wheel. The farming and settled life changed the type of work of an early man. The invention of wheel was one of the greatest invention of the early man. Look at the different stages or transformation of the shape of the wheels from early man time to the present time. Now he sowed seeds, watered the plants and waited for the grains to ripe. He cut the crops and stored the grains. The settled life gave him more time to follow other activities like making better tools, baskets of reeds and clay pots for storing and cooking the grains. Now let us watch a small video about the life of early man.
The life of early man. Early man lived on the earth thousands of years ago. He lived in the forest. Early man did not look like us. He slept on trees. He was afraid of wild animals and storms. Later, to protect himself from rain, heat, and cold, he began to live in caves. Early man roamed in search of food from place to place. His food was wild fruits. Sometimes he ate seeds of small plants. When he could not find fruits, he killed small animals. He used stones to kill them. He made tools from stones. He did not know how to grow his food. Early man did not wear clothes like us. He used bark of trees and animal skin to cover his body. As time passed, early man learned to make fire. He rubbed two stones together. It lighted fire in dry grass and wood. Now he could cook his food. Fire kept the wild animals away. It protected man from cold also. Fire was a great discovery. Still later, man learned farming and began to grow grains and vegetables. He tamed some animals like cows, goats, sheep, and horses. Some animals were very useful for farming. Some animals give him milk and meat. Now, man started to settle down. He made houses with mud and bamboo. Many years later, man made the first wheel. The wheel changed man's life. He could now make carts to carry load. He could now travel much faster. Thus, man continued to progress and became civilized.
Hope you all understood many things from the life of early man, his inventions, his discoveries, his lifestyle, etc. Always keep learning. Thank you, children.